Hello, kipsters, and welcome to another phonics lesson. We're going to dive into what we're doing today, so let's go. We're going to continue to focus on the letters C and O. You'll practice those with your teacher. Then we're going to dive into some word awareness, looking at sentences, reviewing your sight words, and your exit ticket will be all about practicing your sight words, the letter C and O, and practicing sentences. These are the letters that we have learned this week. Your teacher is going to pause the video and review these two letters. All right, repeat after me. C, cat, k. O, octopus, ah. Great. All right. What's the word? Sit. What's the word? It. What's the word? To. All right, you'll be practicing your sight words more in guided reading to look at some sentences. Before we complete this sentence, let's review how we make a sentence. It's important to know sentences are made of words. Words are made of letters. Letters make words, and words make sentences. Is my sentence complete? No, my sentence is not complete. I need a word at the beginning of the sentence. Right now it says can see it. What can see it? I want you to think, should I begin my sentence with an uppercase or a lowercase? An uppercase or a lowercase? Did you say I should start with an uppercase? You're right. We are going to use the name Bob. Now, my sentence is complete because I have an uppercase letter at the beginning and a period at the end. Let's read our sentence. Bob can see it. Bob can see it. I see a period at the end, and that tells me to stop. The uppercase at the beginning of the sentence tells me this is the beginning of a sentence. The period tells me to stop. I want you to look out at my sentence and think, what's the sight word of the week in this sentence? Do you see it? If you see it, put your hand on your head. Did you say it's the word it? You're right. This is a sight word of the week. Let's go to our next sentence. My sentence says go to school. There's a period, and that tells me when to stop. Is my sentence complete? No. I'm going to put the word I here, which is talking about myself, but I need to know, is it uppercase or lowercase? To begin a sentence, should we start with an uppercase or a lowercase? Did you say an uppercase I? You got it. I know this is the beginning of the sentence because it's an uppercase I. Now I can read my sentence completely. I go to school. I put letters together to make words, words together to make a sentence. I go to school. Period at the end, and that tells me to stop. Look out. Where's the sight word of the week? What's the sight word of the week in my sentence? Did you say to? You're right. Wow, I can't trick you guys. Let's go to the last sentence. Will sit by me. Is my sentence complete? Does it make sense? Doesn't make sense to me. I need to have a word at the beginning to complete my sentence. Let's see. Should my word at the beginning of the sentence be an uppercase or a lowercase? Uppercase or lowercase? Did you say uppercase? Yes, yes, yes. It should be in uppercase. All right. So I'm going to start with an uppercase A because I am going to write the name Anne. Now my sentence is complete. I know it's complete. It has a word at the beginning with an uppercase, and it has a period at the end. That tells me to stop. Anne will sit by me. Read it with me. Anne will sit by me. The period tells me to stop. Look out. What's my sight word of the week in my sentence? Did you say sit? You're right. Great job. All right, Kipsters. In Seesaw today, you have 4 pages. You can find your 4 pages on the right side of the screen. On your first page, you need to tap the microphone to read your sight words. We're getting ready for our quizzes on Friday, so this is where you're going to practice tapping the microphone and reading your sight words. Second page, tapping the microphone, reading your letter names and sounds. The third page, you need to count how many words are in the sentence and circle by tapping the glow pen. Then you're going to choose the color red, circle the period, choose the color blue to circle the uppercase letter. The fourth page is your challenge page. I want you to practice using the move icon and move the sentence around to match "she will sit here." Do the best you can and have fun. See you later, guys.